Bro, what was that things? I have to tell my friends about it. Hey bro, what happened? Come sit down. What happened? I just saw some things and I was standing on the roof of my house and it suddenly spread across the sky like this. I have no idea what it was. May bro, it could even be aliens. Come on, let's go check it out. Alien? Bro, have you lost your mind? How could alien even come to Earth, bro? My eyes can't be fooling me. I really saw it. You are not lying, are you? My eyes can't be fooled. How is that even possible? It's called be a UFO too. It might even give us magical powers. Come on, bro, let's go. What if someone gets the power? Is that so? First? Then we should go and see what is really going on. Madra is also the name of our village, but let's go check it out anyway. Then let's go. Yeah, bro, let's go. Yes. Bro, what's going on here? Hey, be quiet. Bro, there are actually alien here. But bro, what are they doing here? Bro, they really are alien here. What are we going to do now? We must save Earth. To do that, will I have to destroy our UFO? Understand? We have to stop them fast. What now, bro? Earth at stake. Come with me. Yeah, bro, let's go. Bro, what do we do now? Yeah, bro, what do we do? Wait, climb down. Bro, what are we going to do now? There is no need to. We have to do something. We have to face this situation head on. We have to go and destroy that UFO. We have to get that UFO out of Earth. Then the aliens will be gone and our Earth will be safe. Yeah, bro, you are right. I blow up the UFO and save our Earth. Yeah, bro, then I be safe too. We can't waste any more time. Come on, let's go. Yeah, bro, let's go. Wait. What happened, bro? Yeah, what happened, bro? Now listen to my carefully. Go ahead. This UFO. We don't know how to fly this UFO. I go inside this UFO. I destroy it. You too? You too understand, right? Yeah, bro, that exactly what I do. Yeah, bro, I do anything to get him. It do whatever it takes, mess it up, damage it, and then I escape. Yeah, bro, let's go. Yeah, bro, let's go. Okay, let's go. Do one thing, go there and destroy it. And you go there and destroy it. I go and destroy it. Let's go. Oh my god. What technology is this, bro? This button? What kind of strange button have they placed her? How will this UFO be destroyed? How to destroy it? What kind of strange button have they put her? Maybe the UFO files with this. Oh, what happened? Run, get out of her, run! Yes, we survived. Yes, we survived. And that UFO has also been destroyed. So guys, my video is complete. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. I worked real hard on this video, was so busy making it that I didn't get a time to cut my hair. So please share this video as much as you can and support me. I meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Jai Shri Ram.